or Swanky, na Oracle. Biko. No one about or Swanky na Oracle. Oracle say post or anything, don't post anything. Oracle only post you, that can post to you. Young that if I post anything, I post to you and wink here. Please, you are not in any war or fight with Swanky. Or put up any problem with it. Because Swanky is not your problem. Get a Swanky about saga. If Swanky about saga with Oracle, how about saga, how about her saga? How you got bow with her? How you got, got to war with her? Adolo, please don't involve yourself. We are doing this one for Abada and whoever that's fighting Abada. On our Swanky take is real personal between Yana Oracle and Josie Iwa saga. Biko Haja saga. Good morning, Joanne Fletcher. Biko Rapoha. Oh no, what I guess post to Swanky also. Send him post to Yaji post to here. Because they're also bringing bad name to you, Adolo. Biko Achomu, oh no, like I don't give you Maria saga. Give you Marianka, give Marianka, give you that post to you, a post to them. Oracle to the post to Swanky, you will replay the post to Swanky. Kaima Oracle the post here. Swanky to the post, you like a post to. The same thing goes to Young Achiever. Anybody to the post to Swanky should use their hand and post it. A post to them. Please, I beg you. All the Swanky and Oracle to the saga. How put I went to the saga? How why I was J of Fuma? Don't blog for anybody. I'll blog with her. Since Muhammad Abana to here, Swanka to you, Oracle they may I'm always here. And if for after today, Martin one of their case again. After today, Martin one of their case again. Agom Swanky say I rap with this matter on our here. Swanky, during the time Ndane Buligi, I stood by your side. I stood by your side. So I stood by your side and you saw I never withdrew. There is nothing that will make me to withdraw from you. Nothing. Nothing will make me withdraw. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I still stand on my words. You know, I saw Jerry, while I talked about Jerry, I saw Jerry telling people, my mother with a broken teeth. I don't want to post my daughter's, Ijel is not the video of my mother. And according to her, I believe all Jerry is in a picture of my mother. Let me believe no one in a picture of my mother because I have never offended Jerry. I have never offended Jerry. Jerry served me well. On a help him really my Ozuhumori, and I treated him nicely. I never offended Jerry. So if Jerry wants to, saga me because of you in Swanky, Apple go from Campomo, Swanky is now in Jele's camp, and all of them now I see Jerry. Jerry is addicted to Ijele. Due to him all like one saga. Even I have one has to grammar. So maybe you want to compare the one with my own. Now, Jerry, for the fact that you left my house, you ate my food, you drank my water, I did you nicely. Even when you traveled to Anambra State, okay, so I can see race, don't worry, I'll pay your transport. I still sent money to your account. Mama should not he will me together. At the end of the day, you are coming back here to laugh at me on a comment section on the case of Roman Saga. I also want to ask you, Jerry, what did I do to you? What? What would you say that Racing did to you? Because I have never done anything wrong to you. What would you really say that this is what I did to you? That now made you to feel like, oh, maybe, yeah, Mom Saga. Jerry, when your phone spoils, when your phone spoils, you just go to the phone. Phone will give me on Saturday. I go to the phone on Sunday. He has made that woman a wicked person. Yeah, what did I do? Give me wrong. Yes, maybe I have made the wrong. And that was my anger. So let me assume Ijele posted a video of my mother. Of course, Jerry, you know that my mother is a very hard-working woman. Here, a woman who on a one babasum bike. My mother about meeting 50,000 every Sunday. Every Sunday on our meeting. That meeting is 600,000 naira. I think had about I'm not I don't know how many. I think about 20 of them was about, I think, okay, 500,000 Ghana, about 20 of them. My mother, I was she meeting UK. My mother, I was she meeting UK. So my mother is not a hungry woman. Oh, you see my mother selling a fish, 8,000, 9,000. My mother, Diego. You know. Or they can do so saga. They no more go na hagro na ewu no lo. Abi with the no na live stream. As the camera have or the camera have no. Jenny, you live with me. You know I'm not a hungry person. At least in the TikTok, I go say, here, no, this is not my house. I'm living a fake life. You, Jerry, that I house. I kept my house. You know I don't live fake life. You know how hardworking I am. You know how hardworking I am. You know how hardworking I am. But if you also want to join the people who are doing the saga, to saga me for no reason, it's okay. It's all right. I ain't got no problem with that. No problem. You can't see me. I'm not going to do that with you. You are too small more about the saga. Why would I do that? Adori. But at the end of the day, we are all trying to see a way to have a peaceful resolution. You saw me and Ijele yesterday. We are going, we are rubbing our minds. If we can see where bring get things. You saw Ijele yesterday on a live stream. Even before now, I used to like this voice videos. Not like a video, not like a that means it's about TikTok. It's a misunderstanding. Onyo like you wanna buy a company here. Onyo like you wanna join a company here. So you join a company, you walking there by hand. I'm a very strong person when it comes to saga. You can't win me. You cannot. Go win him na saga. He's gonna win him. Eji me go. I want a man called. I'm a man roll. Ebi mo fuma. I'm a little mood of fuma. Ebi no Lord the mama. I'm so okay. Very 100% okay. So can you get you a call on you have nothing. Absolutely nothing. Abu Moya Adema go. You can't see me on anybody's DM. I am a young man that is very, 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 very privileged. I was privileged to be raised by a mother that is hardworking. My mother is a hardworking woman. My mother, I was raised by a hardworking mother. I am okay. I am not even. So, Jerry, you know how people beg me for money. You know how I give people money. Some people I give them 10,000, some 20,000, depending on what I can afford to give them. So when I saw you on that saga through a match, I said, who is this one? Did you see me do anything with you? No. Did you see me come back to you? No. I will not. But the truth of the matter is the fact that you, Swanky, I have warned you. I want to go with you. Let this matter rest. Man cause. For this matter, I would never. When I was calling out Saga and Win, I don't know where Alpha. Saga and Win, but I said, Racing, I have never disrespected you. I've never talked about you. Please, I respect you. Also respect me. I came to his live stream and I apologized. Excuse me. I came there and I apologized and I say, I'm sorry. I am very sorry. If I have called you out unprovoked, maybe I feel because we're doing Saga on a campung here, and in my other way from a campung also, you don't want provoked. But what did I do? I had to apologize to him because I believe that he is an adult. And every adult also demands an apology when you wrong them. And I did so. But you, Swanky, having those bunch of orchards, those bunch of miscreants, those bunch of disgusting elements, those mixed witches, coming to insult me. Those bunch of low-life peasants, those perverts. Hungry people. Look at Tony and Kabina Olo. Can they use plywood? This is making. How does this? Is this not crazy? I am trying to bring things together. Swanky, if you climb up on my board, I'm going to shut everybody here up. If you want me to. You don't even give me that respect. You couldn't even give me that respect. If Red Homa can and you are enjoying them insulting.
This is the reason I got angry with you yesterday. Because you're not supposed to be there. There's something like, okay, you came up with something. Somebody you knew the person for a long time. And you came up to the box to say something important.
Oracle is not even my friend. Do you know that Oracle is not even my friend compared to Swanky?
They were insulting you. That at least Swanky is supposed to accord that respect by telling everybody, please shut up, please. Let me speak. He was even praising them the way they were insulting you. All of them were insulting you, really cause on you, doing a lot of things. I was very angry at you yesterday. I was very angry because I never believed you would do something like this. How will you go so low? So look at the life of people that are insulting you. Look at the kind of people. No, you should do better.
No. You know, I give risky listen. I give people the same privilege I give to every other person. I am well respected, very, very. And, maybe all this saga there are, on the same page, on the same cadre, and the rest of them. And I keep telling people, I said, I always say I am sorry. So good morning and a happy birthday to you, man. I wish you got protection, long life, and good health. And I also wish you a lot of beautiful things that you also, seek for. God really bless you real quick. Yeah?
See, if it was only Sandy that was angry yesterday, or me, I wouldn't be angry. But the reason I got angry was that.
Hold on. I think I want to speak to somebody anyway.
They brought extra food. That people that are not even supposed to be talking to you when you're talking. God just waited to be insulting you. Take a look at that nonsense now.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ken. How you doing?
I'm okay. But that's some I want. Yeah, always the more even your live stream, your tago. Nah, the full video like I gafe. But let me just tell you one thing. If for this particular case, Swanky na Olako, Obuna Emaka this thing is like since last year or 2 years. I could remember last year, I am na platform ejele. Ijele blocked me because of Swanky. Though when I Ijele ma before, even I was in the WhatsApp group, they blocked me and report my account. Then I keep dying. I have up to 30 something K followers. I stay back. Then the second time I met Ijele was yana Olako. I ain't on a scream like this. Me say na this thing I did on my way. Sometimes I can go name you think Obu no one negi be here. This Olako open his mouth, sinner, and then I don't know Swanky from anywhere. I'm like, I don't know against anybody's lifestyle club. I welcome everyone because we all are human beings. But this Ijele open his Olako, I mean to say, sinner, Ienjina, I support to Swanky because Nana Swanky. And when they say this, they bring me on big screen. Then I have all the evidence. They bring me, I say, Keye gebutezi giwa bring you na scream just because na mpuluku. Then I no game just Olako started threatening me. Na mama boyobo, no make nka we see. But all this thing he put against this small boy was lie. Because we able na somebody my year the mature now never na ekwu igama. Osigene, okay, I withdraw from that life. To be like oboni ya na-ekwu ba say nkuniola n'ụtụtụ because here is night ka ngara ifu echi. This same Olako chatted me up. Then I was in Nigeria, chatted me up. I followed up. Namu keben no kaifu. It's okay, I'm not in Anambra, but I'll be coming in Anambra so date daughter. Because I told him if anything happens to Swanky with all these threats and all these things unname, that Nanga spending my last card to make sure now for the case at end. Then Swanky and the Jelebidobelo police. These are now wagi. If I'm not lying, Ogabu earlier 2024/2025.
More legit.
Then Nina Kanaga before Ijele, this particular Ijele Yanola Kopo, then Hamechapa police. I say this is not how to settle issue. Even the against that's Swanky of 18. Then after everything, I called us. Many people started chatting me on my DM, saying a lot of things. No more no budibe, no more bunka, no more nka, no nesikwe mbanka, chogoye no nka, no bopa an ordinary person. I see. Obo ni ibu ezigbo Igbo. Igama ibu mmadụ ibu a native doctor. What it means, all the koyebu a reverend father. These two people, Oyobo pastor, nda respect. Okay, I'm going to get our wishes. You see, reverend father, man of God. That same way, native doctor. A native doctor got a threat because no be a native doctor. I say I'm not scared of you. He started saying a lot of things. Swanky money and equipment nka abata na life obrumo akaja by Oku. I didn't say anything. I've never come out since I've never come out to say anything since then. Should you understand? Then I was very surprised because for a very long time Una Swanky had a haba. If you even on Adal, I never see ya. No be ezigbo mad, but no way touch of for banje. Then I was very surprised kwa iputakwa therefore Olako and that same thing ni na melon. But that same thing na kwa ana-ekwu makia. If na this thing Swanky na-ekwu na Olako si no mehia, anything no gonna dey involved. Which more is good my own evidence. Okay, when I came to Anambra, I called Olako.
Ken, hold on. This matter now, no on ground. Are they trying to raise a dead matter up? Because let me be honest with you, right? This saga, in case the first one, Abraham of the middle. Now, need to come back. This present saga now, I know from the beginning till ever I look at her now. Right? And believe me, there was a video Ijele Merile when Ijele started bullying Kafe, young achiever. Do you know why for one day a young achiever my platform could Ijele? You know why? Because the same young achiever, the platform Ijele with Ariam. The same young achiever, whenever I life Ijele, where Omugi. Yawa live stream Ijele. Say now let me walk in on a live stream. Now I'm walking beyond. He bullied me. March one. And that was why I allowed Ijele to return back the energy. And when Ijele return back the energy, you see, right? Ona look at now. And when you go get a key, it won't get to me. Add them too resistant that even in the rebel who go to my the gono and you work is to go in jacket and one the next see every can go myself I can raid a whole house for you to bring your evidence. What am I saying? If Swanky and Oracle Bago Saga last year based on the hammer, can we allow this matter to die? Because this present time now, I have not seen Oracle mention Swanky's name. Truth be told, I have not seen Oracle mentioning Swanky anywhere.
Okay, now, calm down. This is the part in Chokebia, Epata. He got to go the he can do a working buying on the life. He got to, he can I believe Nigga will not buy Swanky or Iga have a
no, we don't buy Swanky. Swanky actually, hold on now. Swanky actually gave out my contacts. Swanky with my contact against somebody without telling me. Only the mother bought my contacts without telling me. He did that. When I called him on phone, he didn't pick my call. I tested Swanky. I can show you evidence. Give full date. Okay, the Swanky na WhatsApp. Till today, Swanky go reply my message. Because all my animal actually can you generally my number? Get mad without telling me. I know on my phone. Age number, I'm gonna have it. I know Masaga. Age element is now Masaga. Now you raise my number, get somebody because they not support here. Because only way not support. So if you now only I cannot support, so maybe only maybe we only many leggy. Good and fine. I'm not against that because the same person not support, so we don't have a problem. And women anything against this person, but you get this person my contacts. And I called you. I said, why did you give this person my number? I even sent you a voice call a voice note. You could have a reply yet today. You have my number, Jenny. How was it my phone? Only got warm. I went on call for more than 3-4 hours. But why I allowed that matter to rest was because I felt that you don't know anything against you when I had the go. Oh no, so when about saga, go the wrong bar. When I saw killing get one. What are we saying? What I'm saying is the fact that now Swanky at this point needs to stop. Now, Ebo Koroma to 20 in your live stream. Gina Oracle gay, Oracle Wonka, Inenka, all dates, yeah, all boyfriends, yeah. To what benefits? Let me even say that in Telegram was Oracle saga. He will get. I have wear a saga. Everything I'm a deba. I wear a saga.
Yeah, let me say something.
Hold on, my brother. Because hold on, Ken. Because at the end of the day, the same Ijele, let me tell you, Ijele emeho Swanky, half of you Swanky suffered in the hand of Ijele. He tell him swanky. Or made me a half. That's the truth. Ijele bully swanky. So if you can forgive Ijele, why don't you let Oracle rest? If you can come out openly and say, now, give Ijele Mexico, give Ijele like this, then let Oracle be.
This is the back and choky each you in. Igajugodi, Kia Meru Swanky booked this matter now. Let me tell you one thing.
This matter because two things that involved. See, my brother, but one day, okay, let's see, let me tell you things. This is the saga train. You're not a sagatarian.
Calm down. Asna, I didn't what I hear. Bosoga full manu. No bosoga full ogiri. Imane weli yeji.
Manu on a manu. Listen to me. Manu on a chiafu. Oya manu mwa bugo dressing na against. I am not in support of you outing anybody. Even if the oracle be gay.